thinking that this screws into that. Okay, no, that doesn't go into that. Or maybe it does. Let's see. Yeah, it does. Okay, that was into that. And I pulled something else out. Let me make sure this is tight, because I'm going to be mad if I turn the water back on and it starts coming out. Okay, that's how that goes. Oh, I'm going to have to take it out and put the weight back on. So, we're going to take this out. And we're going to put this weight. But when we... Let me find the top. Remember to turn the water off before you do this. Like I said, I have water squirting everywhere down here. I'm so upset with myself. Okay, wait, where are you? Hold on, that's the only thing about taking these apart. You gotta remember what you do with them after. I should have kept them close together, but I'll be all over the place in my head. Oh, why the whole time it was in the water and I couldn't see it. I would hate to be in a lake that has some black water, because it'll be hard to find something if you lose it. Okay, so back to the schedule program. We're gonna keep the weight on here, and hold on. Let me scoot up a little. My son's chair. Okay, so we're going to. That was the wrong move anyway. So unclamp this again, and we're gonna screw. Don't judge me, y'all. This is my first time. Like, I know how mean people can be, so don't come for me. See, you gotta screw it right. Like, that wasn't screwed in right. So, let's try it again. Okay. Nope, not right yet. Okay, that might be right. Yep. It's so hard to screw these on. Hold on. Alright. Let's try. And mind you, my sink has been splattering water all over the place because I took it off. And today I just finally said, you know what? I'm going to fix this because I want my shower head back on my sink. And I'm tired of water splashing everywhere when I do dishes. So, these things are hard to screw on. Alright, that seems about as good as it's going to get. Because that's how it was when I took it off and unscrewed it. It wasn't even screwed on there correctly. And maybe that's why. I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Okay. Can y'all see? And I am so much better at working YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. This YouTube is not my, I don't like this platform too much because it's just not my thing. But I want to show people what to do just in case will help people. So now we're gonna turn, but yeah, I want to help people who are in a predicament like me. We're gonna turn the water back on if their faucet breaks, because I could not find any sterling I would find like Monaco, Milton, stuff like that, but no sterling water reviews on how to fix a broken faucet. And it was like ticking me off. I'm like, dang, nobody has a sterling faucet. And if you don't have one, I understand, cool, but it was just annoying. So we're gonna see if it works. Fingers crossed. And that is how you fix your sterling faucet if it comes undone. Okay? Shout out to me.